Hey foodies! Are you tired of the same old meal prep grind? If you're ready to switch things up, then stick around because today, I'm diving into BistroMD. And don't forget to click that link in the description below to snag your special offer. Alright, let's get into it. BistroMD is a meal delivery service that's all about healthy, chef-prepared meals designed by actual doctors. Sounds fancy, right? But is it worth the hype? Let's break it down. First up, the meals. BistroMD offers a variety of options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Think delicious dishes like chicken marsala, blackened tilapia, or even a chipotle pineapple smoked pork. Yum! The menu rotates weekly, so you'll never get bored. Plus, they've got options for different dietary needs. Gluten-free, heart-healthy, diabetic-friendly, you name it. Now let's talk pricing. BistroMD isn't the cheapest service out there, but you get what you pay for. For a full program, meaning 3 meals a day, 7 days a week, you're looking at around $150 to $180 per week. If you want fewer meals, they offer smaller plans that are more budget-friendly. And hey, that link in the description has a special discount just for you. So, what's it like to actually eat these meals? Personally, I was impressed. The flavors are on point and the portions are generous. It's like having a personal chef without the Michelin star price tag. Plus, the convenience is unbeatable. Just heat and eat. No more slaving away in the kitchen. But let's be real, nothing's perfect. Some meals can be a bit hit or miss, especially if you're a picky eater. And the packaging, while convenient, isn't the most eco-friendly. But if you're looking for a way to eat healthier without the hassle, BistroMD is a solid choice. So should you give BistroMD a try? If you're serious about eating well without the meal prep hassle, then absolutely. It's a bit of an investment, but your health is worth it. And remember, there's a special offer waiting for you in the description below. Alright foodies, that's it for today's review. If you've tried BistroMD, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks for watching and happy eating.